I love how yellow those trees are. Look at them. Beautiful.
He said boo.
He said boo? All right, we are ready to go. We got our pumpkin carving kit, but I have these from last year. I found this from a garage sale. And then we got...
I want like a girl face.
Well, we're not. We're going to do the... Remember you said you want to do the puking pumpkin, right? Yeah, we're going to do puking pumpkin. And then we got our big old pumpkin.
Whoa.
Look how big he is.
He's bigger as the queen of
All right, yeah, this is a pretty big pumpkin. What does it feel like?
It feels smooth.
Good. Look at you. All right, so here she is. Pumpkin O'Malley. You ready?
He's ready.
First, top view.
How are we going to dig this out?
All right, I'm gonna post it up real quick. All right, so what I'm gonna do is first, I'm gonna cut the top. I have this from last year.
And I'm gonna skid it out. I'm gonna scoop.
Oh, you remember that? Yeah, you scoop it out.
And get it out.
All right, so we got him
Out.
all cut.
Now we're gonna
you
pull.
ready? All right.
1,
2, 3.
Yay, we did it! See!
Eureka!
I kind of red.
All right, go look in it again. Look in it. Y'all share together.
It's webs.
Okay, hold on. What does it look like?
It looks like cobweb.
It looks like cobwebs. Ooh, spooky. You want to feel it?
Yes.
Go ahead. Touch it.
Ooh,
Malia, I'm letting Kim touch it. Come here. Come touch it, Malia.
It's so slimy.
Ooh, slimy. What other words can you think of to describe it? Come on, Leah.
It's so slippery.
Touch it. All right, let's let Leah get a turn.
Oh, they cobwebs!
Oh, Kim, tilt it for her. All right, Malia, touch it. Ooh. What's it feel like? You like it? All right, so now
We're gonna use a spoon.
Yeah, we're gonna use a spoon, but
to get this seed out.
I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna scrape. Let me scrape the cobwebs a little bit for you. I'm just going around and I'm just shaving it.
Dump.
Scoop it, scoop it, scoop it, scoop it, baby, baby.
Scoop down.
Hey guys, I am Cheryl, the activity author. I forgot to introduce myself. I am an author and I create arts and crafts to help kids grow. I take books, I turn them into crafts. So if you like that kind of stuff, subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell. Yes, so the key is almost done, but the key is you want to scrape it. You want to scrape it, like you see how you get all this gunk? You want to get all of that out of here because you can use all of that for the throw up. I mean, for the bar. All right, let's carve them out.
Now I'm gonna chop this up so everyone can do that.
try. Just gonna
Well, let's start.
wipe him off. And now, all we do is put him in the front steps so that all the trick-or-treaters can see. Right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna
Take this.
yeah, and I'm gonna cover it with the white because I want to be able to see it. Just use another bag. All right, so all we do is put that there. And now we take him and put him on this so people can see him. Right?
That pumpkin looks so silly.
I know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of it. You wanna help me? All right,
Yes.
take some with your hands and you're gonna put it like in his mouth like he's throwing it up. Like that. See?
I bet you say
Yeah. Leah, what are you eating? No. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Don't put it in his mouth. Put it like down on the ground. There you go. So like he already threw it up.
Don't say ew.
Yeah, it's really gross. I love it. And you did good, Timmy. Oh, Mr. Pumpkin. Final look.
Cheese, say pumpkin. And cheese.
All right, and that's it. And
Yeah.
I like the way we got it. Look like it's coming out of his mouth, like it's falling like a stream.
Oh
You
no.
can push
He
no.
needed too much. Oh no. Bang, 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 bang. Hello?
Yeah, you
Hello.
can do it like that.
I'm the doctor. What's wrong? The pumpkin ate too much pie. I need to get rescued because he's too much pie.
He ate too much pie.
Yeah, bye-bye.
You're so silly. We want to thank you guys so much for making it to the end. You family now, so you might as well hit this middle button right here and subscribe to the channel. And stick around because we are going to make a unicorn pumpkin next. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned.